What a book a devil's chaplain might write on the clumsy, wasteful, blundering, low, and horribly cruel work of nature. Only nature knows how to justly proportion to the fault the punishment it deserves. Dreams come true. Without that possibility, nature would not incite us to have them. Our body is a machine for living. In general, mankind, since the improvement of cookery, eats twice as much as nature requires. Natural science does not simply describe and explain nature, it is part of the interplay between nature and ourselves. England has always been disinclined to accept human nature. A lawn is nature under totalitarian rule. All of nature begins to whisper its secrets to us through its sounds. Like a great poet, nature knows how to produce the greatest effects with the most limited means.